In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok is not opening up. So first thing is to check that your Wi-Fi and mobile data are working properly, because if it can't load up, there's a chance that it won't load or open up the TikTok account. Next, what you want to do is you want to check if there's an update available for TikTok. So if it tells you update, like it does now, you need to update it. And the final thing is you go to your storage, like iPhone storage or Android storage, find TikTok and then offload the app, and basically this frees up storage used by the app and keeps your documents and data. So those are the three ways you can go about if TikTok is not opening up to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.